Hey guys, welcome back into the another video. In today's video I'm gonna tell you about web stories from which we can grab a traffic from the Google Discover tools, which is on mobile for the mobile. And the web stories is like YouTube shorts only that you gonna if you go into the your Google browser in from your mobile settings, and inside that you will find the discover section. In that there is one web story section that we are going to create. Okay, so this will be a completely beginner tutorial for everyone who want to learn about web stories, how web stories works, and how to rank our web stories on Google, how to submit our web stories to Google so that we can grab a traffic from the Google Discover section. So I will be talking all the essential settings, those which will be needed for ranking our website. So that's it, guys. Let's get started of creating. So for that, first of all, you need to go on your WordPress dashboard to install stories plugin sections. From here, like you can on the plugins. Okay, here you need to click on the add new button. After clicking on the add new button, you need to search for web stories. Once again, there is something wrong happening. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, um, there was some network issue. So after clicking on the add new button, you will be able to see the add plugin sections in which we have to search for the web stories. And in my case, I have installed web stories, so no need to install in my system. So you need to simply go into the, you have to search for the web stories, and you need to install this one. This is the made by Google only, as you can see, made by Google. Okay, this is the trusted applications, and other applications are also good one, but I didn't use that much, so I will not suggest you to go with these tools. So I will suggest to go with these web stories only for this time. And after that, what else we have to gonna do? Okay, after activating this, we have to go inside stories section here. Okay, inside that, as you can see, I have already published 3 web stories which is related to different things. Okay, which is one is top 5 reasons to purchase Realme GT Neo 3T mobile for India, and this is for like programmers and yeah, for beginners as well. So after that, to create a new stories, we have to click on this button. Okay, I will be telling you all the step by step process which you have to follow. Okay, and you have to click on the create new story button. It will open a complete dashboard which we have to understand first before creating anything on this dashboard. So here what we have to check is like here above, these are not the part of the story, these are of the part of the WordPress. Okay, inside that, like this insert style, these all are used to create web stories only. Okay, these are related to WordPress, and inside that, these all are related to the creating web stories. So what we have to do here is like we are creating web stories for mobile. So here this is the ratio of 9:1, which is perfect for all mobiles. Like we can see images in the mobile format, so we are creating it in the 9:1 ratio. So I am going to create for like how to become faster at typing. So for that, I'm taking an image. Okay, here as you can see, there are some buttons. Like, what are these? If you hover here, yeah, this is used to change background color. If I'll click here, okay, if I'll click here, I can see that some changes we can do from here itself. So if I'll click on this page background, so I'm able to see multiple colors. And what happen if I'll click on one of these? So after clicking on the one of the color, the changes will happen in this background only. Okay, this will be a background which will be preferable for it is according to your web stories what design you need to add on. So in my case, I was looking for some stunning color. So in my case, I can choose this one. Blue one will be fine, but it is a little bit not pretty one. So I will be taking this. Yeah, this one looks good. So call to action, yeah, for if you want to send somewhere your peoples, you can add this address over here. So in my case, I will be uh, nothing, not adding anything here for first time. So we can add audio files as well, link to audio file. So audio file is not that much important, but to make it more attractive, we can use some audios as well. So after that, what we have to do here is we have to insert some photos. So for that, we need to go inside insert section. So I have already added some photos, as you can see, this is related to my blog. If I'll show you, like control shift 10, so here CodewithDC.com, if you'll go here in my website, this is the blog which I have written on 23rd October. So after clicking on this, as you can see, this is the articles I have written for the people who want to become faster at typing. So there are something that they should know before entering into the world of professionally typing. So what I'm gonna take here is this title, okay, of my blog. And and another thing is like some of the points, like these are the this some of the point that will be giving some of the information to them, to my end users. So after that, I will if you want to add custom photos, so you can click on the upload section. After clicking on the upload sections, this is the media library of your WordPress or hosting, which you can prefer. And if you want to add from your local system, so you need to click on the select files and you can choose accordingly. Okay, and that's it for that. And after that, the one thing I need to mention here is we can use the default photos as well. We can use default photos as well. For that, we can select on this one. After the upload section, after the media section, there is a third party media which we can use. So for typing, laptop is mostly people are typing on the laptop. So this will be the attractive image uh, for my which what we can say here is for my web stories. Okay, so for that, maybe we need to resize this. Okay, for that resizing, we have to uh, make it little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm putting it over the all pages. It looks good to me. I like this then keep like to my channel and subscribe to my channel. And after that, this is the first page which user can see. After that, I want to add another page or duplicate. No, duplicate page means one page will be created as it is, like this one is. That to create that this one which is not that good. So delete. If you created duplicate page, then you can delete the current page. It will be deleted. As you can see, the another page is gone. So I will be adding new page. That page I'm gonna adding this uh, this keyboard, okay, this monitor, which also looks good. Okay, one second. Here we have to adjust, guys, otherwise it will look very much dirty. And after that I gonna add another page. At least 8 pages should be there, so that your web stories will rank on Google. And let me check another photos. Okay, this one is also good one, so let me add that also. The photo is little bit not visible, but it will be adjusted. After that we have to click on add new page. 5 pages are added. Okay, so for that maybe I can search for keyboard here. If you want particular, like I want in keyboard in my case, so that it will look good. Okay, yeah, that I wanted. So which one looks good here is uh, this one. This one looks good. And after that another page, maybe which one we can add here is um yeah, this also looks good. Total 8 page I will add here. This is also looks good. Another which I can add one images. One second, one second, one second, one second, one second. uh, no, this one is not. This one looks very much stunning. Insert that one. Yeah, this is also looking good. And now one finger with keyboard is really needed. Insert that image, not here. So I will be cutting that. Maybe backspace, you can cut images. This is the last one. So uh, yeah, this one also fine, take it as it is. Now fine, yeah, it's looking good. So the next step comes here is we have to add text on this. Okay, we have to add all the text. So for that I am going to add title, this one. You can also copy that for your web stories from your blog. So here uh, we have to click on the text button. So which one we have to want? We have to want this one. Okay, and the another thing which we have to do here is we have to make it more attractive. Okay, so we have to go in the styling section. We have to click on the fill button. Okay, after clicking on the fill button we have to choose the color for the background. So maybe I can choose the white one and make it more or less attractive. White one is the best one which will be visible, and if I'll choose the black and text color will be white, it is also looking good. So maybe we can take it as it is, but the black is little bit overwhelming. Okay, yeah, let me check with this one. We can choose whatever we want. So here I am going to paste my how to become faster at typing. So but if you want to change the text, we can do that as well. Here Anton is also looking good to me. Okay, that's fine. And if you want to add some transition to this text, uh, for that we have to make no, okay, more. What is in the more? There is nothing in the more. So for making it like adding animations, so we animations on the first page of a story are not supported. So this is the first page, so we maybe not be able to add animations to first page, so we have to add it on another page. So this is the text one, how to become a faster at typing. So here my next page will come, this one. Inside that I have to add another text. Here I'll be adding where it is in the style section, fill with which color. Okay, for now I'm taking white color in the background. So for first, chili everyone. For that, yeah, here I will be adding site so as we can see we can add a home button with together, but for that we'll be needing little bit of extensions here. Home button, okay. Okay, here adding my images from here. So guys, I'm done with my adding text over these pages. So as you can see, I have added lots of text here. Like this is for the first one. This is for the entrance part. That is how to become faster at typing. This will be the first one. After that, people will try to click on the button and check the home button, and this is the image I have added here. So you can also add as much images as you want. And after that, I have added this text over it, and for borders we have to just click on this button, as you said in that, and go into the style section. Inside that, we have to found this fill section, okay. And for fill, we can add colors. For in my case I have added white color, so that's it. So for borders, we have to come a little bit down at the bottom of this text page. So here we have to click on the black color button. We can choose colors as well. First we have to give the length of the border, like width. As you can see, this the width, which is I think in the format, 7 or what, something related to that. And if you want to change the color, so we can change that also. uh, so for my case, I'm taking it as like black only, so that it will not complex now. So that's it. So after adding that, I have also added all the text here. Okay, this is the second one, and this is related to second. Okay, yeah, this is related to second. And after that, this is the third one, which is get rid out of fear. So after that, this is the last one. After that, I want to make them people, if they want to learn more about it, I will send them into my website directly. So for that I need to add one text. Okay, for that I need to add text here. We can add directly, like click here to know more. Okay, and after that we'll be giving it as a blue color because this will be treated as a link. So okay, blue, and filling it with the black. We have to select this and click on the blue button. Okay, and what we have to give here is and turn. Yeah, now it is fine. And to make it a little bit centric, we have to click over there and align text center. Okay, now it is looking fine. And one thing we have to add here is background color. For that we have to click on the fill section. Inside that, click on this button. Here we have to click on the white button. Now this is looking good, but to make it more clear to the people, we will be adding, okay, instead of fill we will be adding highlight to this text. Okay, so padding would be 1. We can check which is looking better. Okay, 100%. Let's try 50%. What is, no, 100% would be fine. 100% would be fine. So let me make it fill only because this is little bit not comfortable to me. And after that we have to make it little bit, click here to know more. Okay, here we, for adding link, we have to go into the document or style section. Inside that we can add links here to enter an address to apply a link. We can paste link here. Okay, no, not this thing. We may go to our website, and for that I want to add this as well. So we may go over this and optional brand icon, sponsored, no follow. Make it as it is for now. We can make it as a center. And the next comes here is the animation part. Like we can add animations to here. Okay, fade in to this text, none will be like click here to know more. Yeah, this one is looks good. And for animation of this text, not background as well. No, not for background because we should add, no, this is also not good. This is good. This one is also fading. I will fade out this. There it is, fade out option. Okay. Drop, none. Fade in. We can choose any whatever we want. Curl in, fade in, scale in. Scaling is taking time. Fading is fine, I think. Yeah. For this also, fading, fading, fading is fine. Okay, guys, that's fine. That looks good. So, and if you want, if you want to add buttons, so we have something here. We can search everything here. Like we have to add buttons. So, not here, I think. Shapes and stickers, button styles, document. Yeah. After that, we have to add documents to in this section. Okay. Write a descriptions of the story, publishing, immediately, author. We can change the author name as well. Publishing, public, private, password protected. So for story description, I will be adding here. Yeah. Maybe this looks good. Okay. Enter slug, permalink looks fine, and we can add as well here how to become faster at typing. Okay, that's it. This permalink is created. After that, normal background audio. I'm not adding any background audio. If you want, you can click on the upload an audio file, and that will be attached to this one. And after that, the category, search categories. In the category sections, I want to add like personal I can add keyboard skill set, like skills. I can add skills category, add new category. Click on add new category if you don't have skills. Okay, non panel, add new, click on add new is added. Okay, in the text section I will be adding how to become faster at typing. These things are really much important if you want to rank your web stories in discover section. Okay, and after that, what needs to be done here is this is also fine. What is text may sound to readers. Maybe we can click on this button. uh, Neutral. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this is done by the Grammarly only and not from the WordPress. We can cut that one. That's fine. What's the publishing section? Only author and poster image. Yeah, poster image is important. Otherwise, this will be not added in the search console. So for poster images, I would be adding this one. How to become faster at typing. How to become select poster images, and that's it guys. This will be visible in the poster images which I have selected. After that, what here you have to add the publisher logo, and the size for the publisher logo is you have to check and add it accordingly. Okay, if you want to check, let me search that on the publisher. You can check like that also. Publisher logo for WordPress, go size for web stories. Okay, you will get exact size as well, 96 by 96. Okay, you have to add 96 by 96 pixel for publisher logo. Okay, you can add the greater than as well, but 96 by 96 is recommended. After that, all things are done. Okay, all things are done from my side. What needs to be done here is we have to first save in the draft section, otherwise all the things will be gone. Okay, maybe we can publish now. Yeah, as you can see, story title should be there. So in my case, how to, I'll be adding it, how to, and try to keep your story title short so that it will be grabbed by the user in less amount of time. How to become faster at typing. Okay, that's done guys, and these are the main these all things are really much important. Okay, you have to add tags as well. Your tags is added. You can add related keywords, typing skills, blue dot typing.com, how to type faster, how to become good at typing, how to become how to become thing while typing. And these are some keywords which I want to add here, and that's it for this. Okay, and now I can publish here. It will be published immediately. Add to new post, no. If you want to add to new post, it will be added into your website as well. I'm not wanted to adding this to my new post. It will be separated. Web stories will be separated from my post, so simply dismiss here. So if you want to view your web stories, you just need to click on the preview section. So I'm going to click here. So page generating the preview. As you can see, uh, in my case I'm taking, yeah, OnePlus mobile. So let's play this. Okay, these are playing in mobiles. Home button. It looks good guys. Open story. So after clicking on this button, yeah, We can click here, as you can see. Click here to more. It will take me to the another website, which is mine only. So that's it, guys, for this video. No, not for this video. One thing I have to tell you here is you have to add it into the search console as well. So you have to add, after creating web stories, for adding it to the search console, you need to click on the copy story button. And before adding it to the search console, there is one thing we have to do here is we have to check our settings. Okay, settings are little bit simple. You have to check here, like which one. Okay, set as default. Okay, this will be mine because this is 96 by 96 pixel, which I have added in last week. In last week, you can upload publisher logo from here. And my web stories are getting set by SiteKit, from which I can see the analytics for this web stories. And after that, the one thing you need to check here is uh, not Google AdSense, because at start, uh, you can add Google AdSense also, but I'm not adding here my Google AdSense. Okay, so only that much for settings. And to add it to the search console, you need to go into the search console and click here, add this to the into the inspect section, and click on the button. It will start retrieving data from the Google, and it will be shown that URL is not on Google. Just click on the request indexing button. It will start requesting it to the Google. Okay, it will take some time, so not an issue. So that is also done. Just click on the test live URL button. So as you can see, it is showing that URL is available to Google. So it indicates that your web stories are good to be indexed by Google, and there is no problem in your web stories. So you can check after some time that your web stories is indexed or not. And that's it for this video, guys. And if you want me to create such web stories and make such tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel and add the comment in the below section, in the comment section below. And after that, I will create such web stories tutorials for you guys. So thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and bye bye.